Hello and welcome back to another video from Oz Espresso. Today we'll be pulling a shot with the Zacconi Riviera, or Baby Riviera if you may. This machine was in our shop recently for some TLC. We replaced the group gaskets, deep cleaned it, was very dirty. See some of the old gaskets, just had a bunch of calcium in it. It was just rusty and not fun. Rebuilt the steam valve. And also, we had a leak at the bottom, and that got fixed. With this model, this is actually a very old design where there's 4 screws holding the boiler together. So basically pulling this piece down and clamping in between the cylinder and the group all the way down to the base, including the heating element. So when you take off one of those screws, this whole thing comes apart, and then it's just a lot of work and a lot of gaskets, especially if it's very old and you need to chisel away those old gaskets. Also, we fixed a small leak that was originated in this gasket. We just applied some sealer on it, and now it's working well. Just want to demonstrate how we get a nice even shower and close. And then we also have plenty of steam. So this is a solid machine that can make excellent espresso, and I personally really like it. Just a shame the way the boiler is designed just makes everything a little more complicated, but it's still possible to repair these if you really like them. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. Hopefully I won't make a mess. Hold it this way. Pardon me. There we go. Let's do it this way. Lift the lever up, let water enter the chamber. And we can go down. In some cases, people like to make two pulls on this. I won't do it today, but it is possible. That's about it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and as always, have a nice day.